where this little sound recorder was sat, if we hadn't been dreaming and it's not all in our heads, this has picked it up. And it's going to be bloody interesting if it is. We're looking at about 3:30 this morning. Still dark. At the north end of our camp, where the land runs out and drops into the river, I heard one of the strangest noises. Now, I was either asleep and I dreamed that I heard this noise, but it seemed that real that I woke up and grabbed my phone out my sleeping bag and began to film, because I'm a tent set up. I'll show you in a minute. There's no waterproofing over it. The waterproof is the tarp. If you look, I can see all the way around 360. See if anything's sneaking up. But yes, this noise, it was like, have you been to the circus or the zoo and a big cat will go but you feel the noise. It's weird.